In this movie, we take a look at the Maya interface. When you first open Maya, you're presented with a large viewport. This is your three-dimensional workspace. Surrounding your workspace is a host of tools, menus, and editors, some of which have overlapping functionality. Maya lets the user decide which works best for them. This may seem confusing at first. Over time, however, you'll gain an appreciation for being able to achieve your goals in a multitude of ways. Across the top of the screen are the main menus. Through these drop-down menus, you can gain access to all of Maya's major functionality, everything from object creation to rendering a final image. The first 7 menus and the last menu never change, as they contain common functionality used in every facet of Maya. The rest of the menus update based upon the current menu set. You can switch between menu sets through the drop-down menu located directly under the main menus. By switching to the Polygons menu, the main menu is updated only with the menus related to the creation and manipulation of polygons. The status line or toolbar contains the different menu sets. You can also find file buttons, selection masks for enabling or disabling the selection of specific object types, snapping tools, render buttons, and an input box for entering specific characters or numeric values. The next line is for the shelves. You can create custom shelves to hold your commonly used tools. Maya comes with several shelves set up for you. Along the right side of the screen is the channel box. The channel box provides streamlined access to object attributes for quick edits. Below the channel box is the layer editor. The layer editor allows you to organize your objects, renders, and even animations. Layers are key to managing all of your assets inside of Maya. Crossing over to the left side of the screen, you'll find the toolbox. The toolbox gives you quick access to selection tools, as well as the transform tools, which allow you to move, rotate, and scale objects and components. Under the toolbox is the quick layout menu. These icons provide shortcuts to most commonly used viewport configurations, such as the 4-view and back to the single perspective view. Across the bottom, you have the timeline, along with playback controls and the range slider. Together, these let you set the length of your animation and playback. Below the range slider is a command line. Here, you can interface with Maya by typing in specific commands. Next to the command line is a space for Maya to give you feedback. Lastly is the help line. Names of interface elements and tooltips are given here based upon your mouse location and active tool.